Hey everyone, it's Justin. Thank you for watching and welcome to my house. That's Justin's house. In this video, I've got more artificial intelligence integrated with ServiceNow. And in this case, I made something what I'm calling a resolution helper. So the theory is I've got an incident and I've got a resolution to a particular issue that someone had, and I put in something that's really technical or it's got a lot of jargon in it. And I wanted to see if the artificial intelligence could clean that up, make it more readable, make it more understandable. I'll let you be the judge. Leave me a note in the comments below. Let me know what you think. I've got a few sample ones here, so let's grab this first one. It's all about the flux capacitor. So I'm just going to plug that into the resolution notes here. And what I did is I made a UI action, which is a related link. You can see it right here in the related links called resolution helper. It runs a flow. If you want to see how that works, I'm going to do a separate video showing how all this works. But there's my resolution notes. Let's just take a look at that. The flux capacitor had too many kilograms of solid rocket fuel, so I used a quantum inverter to remove the excess and redistribute to tertiary capacitors that could handle the additional weight. I know, it's complete nonsense, but let's see what the AI bot does with that. I've got a couple of them here, so let me just open that one up. And yeah, that's what I did. So this one says, after I redid it, I had too much fuel in the flux capacitor, so I used a special machine called a quantum inverter to take some out and move it to other parts of the machine that can handle the extra weight. Okay, that's a little better. That's pretty cool. Thank you. I'm using the DaVinci 3 model for this one. Let's try a little bit different one here. This one's going to be about moving data to a different storage tier. And again, Justin made all these up, so let's just go ahead and save that, and we'll take a look at what that says. I moved the data to a critical storage tier DS99999. I was thinking 5 nines. That is not experiencing stability issues at the moment, and I modified the code to account for an array object, ensuring that there are no errors if there is more than one object found while parsing. Okay, that might mean something to somebody, but it's definitely not going to be helpful to a customer or user in understanding what the heck someone did to resolve it. So let's call in the resolution helper here, open that back up and see what it did. Looks like it's still sitting on mine, so I'm just going to hit refresh here, reload form. All right. Okay, so I moved the information to a safe storage space called DS999 that is working well. I made some changes to the code so it can handle multiple objects when it looks for them, which will stop any mistakes from happening. Okay. All right, let me know what you think down below. Is that more helpful? Is that easier to understand? I think that did remove some of the jargon. And what I did to make it do this is I said, hey, rewrite this particular resolution so that a 10-year-old could understand. And I even did this for cases. So I'm going to start a new case here. And this is in the FSM Configurable Workspace. I'd actually never done a UI action in here, so they didn't know if this was going to work, but it did. It seemed to work. I'm going to just put in a short description here, demo for YouTube. Demo for YouTube, and I'm just going to save that, and then once that's saved, I'm going to go down there to the resolution, and we'll use that third example I have here on my notepad. We'll just copy that here, and then I will jump down using my ellipsis to closure information is what I want, and so let's put in those resolution notes. I was able to get to the website. I was able to get the website to authenticate correctly after enabling developer tools on the browser and emptying the cache and performing a hard reload. I also reset the server-side cache to eliminate the possibility of any bad code being cached there as well. Confirm to the customer that they could log in successfully. Again, lots of jargon, lots of ServiceNow-ish kind of stuff. But let's see what the resolution helper does. I've got it up here in my menu item in the FSM Configurable Workspace. So we'll hit that. That's going to run a subflow. Again, if you want to see how all this works, I'm going to do another video where I show exactly what I did to make all this work. It just updated, and here's the new resolution. I turned on the special coding tools for developers in my internet browser, cleared out the saved info, and restarted my browser. Then I restarted the server-side computer that stores info too. That made sure there weren't any bad bits of code saved. After that, the customer was able to log in and use the website. So that's my resolution helper. Please, please, please let me know what you think. Hit the like button, leave me a note in the comment. I'm trying to think of different use cases to incorporate these generative AI models into ServiceNow, and tidying up, cleaning up resolutions was just a thought that I had, and it could apply to incidents, it could apply to cases in customer service, it could apply to cases in HR or the other applications in ServiceNow. Either way, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, or share it with somebody who you think might be interested in integrating artificial intelligence with ServiceNow. And until next time, don't forget to always be learning.